الليل night and darkest night, he brought the truth, a shining sight. With words so kind and heart so pure, a mercy sent forever sure. He walked with grace, his heart so wide. For young and old, he was a guide. The orphan's tears, the widow's plea, he answered all with empathy. No wealth he sought, no throne, no fame, yet hearts he won with just his name. A leader, friend, the best of men, his message all with empathy. No wealth he sought, no throne, no fame, yet hearts he won with just his name. A leader, friend, the best of men, his message timeless now as then. Oh prophet dear, your path we tread, your words and deeds, the life we spread. Peace be upon you, our shining star, beloved Muhammad al-Mustafa. Oh prophet dear, your path we tread, your words and deeds, the life we spread. Peace be upon you, our shining star, beloved Muhammad al-Mustafa.